Hi, my name's Archie from NoteForms. Do you know that you can add a matrix input field to your form? This is perfect, especially when collecting multiple related answers into an organized table format. Let me show you an example here. So we have an event feedback form. So here we have the full name. It's already filled out, an email address, a select input field, and here we have the event matrix field. So we have a feedback for the speakers, content quality, venue, and organization. And let's just say I filled it out with excellent for all of those options. So there's no need to have multiple select input field. I can just have it on one matrix input field. And additional comment as an example saying it was a great experience. And then here we can click submit feedback. And you'll see it here on your form. Just go to submissions. It will automatically show up here. NoteForms is a form builder that primarily integrates with Notion. Notion has its own form builder, straightforward and easy to use. However, it doesn't have advanced form features such as adding a matrix input field, making your form more organized and personalized, which will lead to better engagement and convenience for form users. And this is where NoteForms really stands out. So now let me walk you through on how to add a matrix field into your forms. So in this example, we will create a new form. So click create a new form on the upper right. And on the next page, we have the option to use an existing Notion database, or we can start from scratch. So let's just choose start from scratch. And then let's utilize here the AI form builder. So here we have the prompt ready, and we can click generate form. And it's an event feedback form, so it has the full name, email address, experience, and this is the matrix field, the event feedback, uh, another row, column for the matrix field, and then additional comments. And a quick note for the prompt to make it clean and professional. So 24 seconds, the form's already created for us. So we have the name, we have the email address, the overall experience as a select input field. We have the event uh, matrix field. It has the speakers, content quality, venue, organization. You can select from poor to excellent and additional comments. So it was added automatically for us, conveniently by our AI prompt feature, but you can add it manually. And this is how you can do this. Click add block on the upper right. Once you click add block, you'll have here the option to select matrix. And here you can manually add the rows. Let's just say here as an example. You can add another row, content quality, and then here on the columns you can make just like how the AI form builder created that for us. Fair, good, and excellent. That's just an example. But we can already delete this one since we already have one created automatically for us. And the next step is just click publish form and select the Notion page where the database will be created. Here, I'll select my own Notion page, click save form, and there you go. As easy as that, we already have our form created with the matrix input field on this form. So hopefully this video helps, but if you still have questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to us via our live chat support and we will be happy to answer your questions. Again, my name is Archie and thank you so much for supporting